We had a fire at 2113 Bridgewood this afternoon, came in at 4:22. Units arrived on scene, and we had smoke coming from the front of the house and from the eaves area. Deployed an initial attack into the interior, located the fire, and determined it to be confined to the dishwasher and a couple cabinets in the kitchen area. Fire appears to be accidental at this point. Damage is still being determined. Appears we'll be able to get the homeowner back into the house, prevented the fire from spreading too far. There were no injuries, and we held it to 1 alarm.
Welcome to Genesis One. I am Joe Williams with my wife Michelle, and we have a little hair salon, a gift shop, and a counseling center actually all rolled into one.